Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for a Toyota, nice clean vehicle, you found it. This is the 2017 Camry. Stock number on this vehicle is T18841A. Take notice of the exterior condition. A virtual video walk around is going to allow you to see this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. We want to show you every aspect of this vehicle. So we make our way around to the rear. We're going to go right into the driver's side. Let's take a look if you got family, friends transporting them. Got ample legroom in the back. Obviously the interior condition is absolutely impeccable. And no virtual video walk around be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Automatic transmission. This vehicle is going to get you to and through at a very economical and safe manner. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, do me a favor, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and see what everybody's talking about. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life. That's at Sunset Ford. Make it a great day.